Analytics will be leading off the call, showing the website layout, and from there, you may hear about some of the marketing things that are going on from George at Multigrain. Howard Schwartz will go over some of the forums. I'm going to go over some of the image stuff that is being done for the ipmPIPE project. So let me just switch this over for Jed. And it's all yours.
Great. Thanks, Joe. And it's a pleasure to meet some of you folks electronically this way and to tell you how excited we are here at Planalytics to be involved in this project. Very simply, for those of you not familiar with Planalytics, we're a business weather intelligence company. We're not a web development firm, but we work with a lot of folks in agriculture and using weather insights in various ways to improve their company's performance. This is the first project specifically related to IPM that we've been involved with, however. But we do work with chemical companies, seed companies, distributors, retailers, even some producers in understanding how weather affects their businesses. And just as a one disclaimer, I'm not a meteorologist. I have a degree in agriculture from the University of Delaware. So if there are any blue hens out there, chirp up. This is the main homepage that you see for the Onion ipmPIPE. It was designed for functionality. I'll say that right up front, so that while we may be making some tweaks in the design and the appearance of what you see, our emphasis up until this point has been on functionality. So what you see in the home page, this is the public area that people can see, represents everything that up until this date we have determined is important for you as participants in this project to have access to. What you see in the left in the way of a map right now is a placeholder. This is a vegetation health index map that we've put up there that, quite frankly, is showing some pretty dire situations in Texas and in parts of Mexico right now from a drought and fire standpoint, as well as some issues in other parts of the country where people that ordinarily would have been planting crops are now delayed. But eventually we will have the map here that will show the infestation levels, the various pest reports data that you will be submitting through this tool will be mapped and will be in this location. The other features of this home page include a commentary section. We're going to talk about this quite a bit because there are 7 of you, Chris Kramer and Dan